Vietnam person fucking ate that for lunch. All those maggots. Ate all those fat maggots for lunch. Just like eating maggots. Eating maggots. That's not what you do. That's so fucked up. Dude, you know what? You know what I fucking seen on here?
What would you see?
What I seen? There was a huge box of little baby mice. Brand new born baby mice. And the fucking Chinese kid was picking up the little baby mice this big. They were like this long. Baby mice are like that long. Little tiny little mice. Shit done. Fucking pink. And the kid, he was picking them up with chopsticks, a whole bunch of them, putting them in his bowl.
Chopsticks?
And there was a whole bunch of little fucking baby mice in his bowl. And he fucking dipped the ass end of one baby mouse in some sauce. And then I saw it, and then it showed him eat it. A baby mouse. Alive! Alive! Yes! Just such sickness. Just such sickness that goes on.
Brody,